Never tell the truth to people who are not worthy of it. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Good friends, good books, and a sleepy conscience, this is the ideal life. The man who does not read has no advantage over the man who cannot read. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. Keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions. Small people always do that, but the really great make you feel that you, too, can become great. The difference between the almost right word and the right word is really a large matter. 'Tis the difference between the lightning bug and the lightning. Never allow someone to be your priority while allowing yourself to be their option.